everyone, I welcome you all to focus of the day session of Analyst IAS. In this particular session, we will discuss about the topic elephant conservation. We will discuss this following news in the following sequence. First, why it is in news, followed by about elephant and its conservation, followed by prelims practice question, followed by mains practice question. But before we start our discussion, I want you all to be informed about public administration, polity and IR and ethics classes of Analyst IAS, which has already been started from 26th of September. Plus, we are also holding classes for current affairs. So you can inquire about any of the following courses on the given number, and you can also visit our official address, that is in Old Rajinder Nagar Market. So now let's move on to our discussion, that is why it is in news. Tamil Nadu forest officials learned the language of elephants because of the calf rescue mission. Over the last 1 year, the department has successfully reunited 3 elephant calves that got separated from their herds in Nilgiri district of Tamil Nadu. So this particular news gives us the opportunity to learn more about elephants and its type. So we will discuss about elephant. There are 2 basic major type of elephant. First one is African elephant, second one is Asian elephant. Now we will discuss about African elephant. African elephant are the largest land animal on earth. They are distinguishable by their bigger ears and they are slightly larger than Asian elephant. Asian elephants, they are smaller and they have rounder ears. Matriarchy exists among elephants. It indicates that they live in communities where women are in leadership. Typically, the matriarch is the oldest and the biggest. The African elephants are the keystone species. That is, they play a critical role in their ecosystem. They are also known as ecosystem engineers, as they shape their habitat in many ways. The habitat of African elephant is throughout the savannas of sub-Saharan Africa and the rainforest of Central and West Africa. Now let's discuss the types of African elephant. First one is African savanna or bush elephant. Its IUCN red list is endangered. They are larger animal that roam the plains of sub-Saharan Africa. The second one is African forest elephant. Its IUCN status is critically endangered and they are smaller animal that live in the forest of Central and West Africa. Now let's discuss our second species, that is Asian elephant. They inhabit dry to wet forest and grassland habitats in 13 range country spanning South and Southeast Asia. Its IUCN status is endangered. It comes under Appendix 1 of CITES and its Wildlife Protection Act status is in Schedule 1. Now in this particular image you can see the difference between Asian elephant and African elephant. Please pause this video and see it thoroughly. Now let's move on to our discussion of elephant, that is elephant reserve in India. The Indian elephant occurs in central, southern Western Ghat, northeast India, eastern India and northern India and in some part of southern peninsular India. Karnataka has the highest elephant population followed by Kerala according to the recent report of MOEFCC. Now we will discuss about Project Elephant, one of the major projects for the conservation of elephant. Launched by the Government of India in the year of 1992 as a centrally sponsored scheme. The objective of this particular scheme is to protect elephants, their habitat and corridors, to address issues of man-animal conflict and the welfare of captive elephant. These were the major objectives of this particular scheme. The project is being mainly implemented in 16 states or union territory, that is Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Orissa, Tamil Nadu, Tripura, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, that is MOEFCC, provides the financial and technical support to major elephant range states in the country through Project Elephant. Now, in this particular image, you can see various elephant reserves in India. This is very important from prelims perspective. So pause this video and have a look on this particular image. Now let's discuss our prelims practice question. The question says, with reference to Indian elephant, consider the following statement. First, the leader of the elephant group is a female. Second, the maximum gestation period can be 22 months. Third, an elephant can normally go on calving till the age of 40 years only. And fourth statement is, among the states in India, the highest elephant population is in Kerala. So which of the following statement given above is or are correct? Option A is 1 and 2 only. Option B is 2 and 4 only. Option C is 3 only. And option 4 is 1, 3 and 4 only. You have to select the particular correct option and write your answer in the comment box. I will answer this question in next session. Now let's discuss yesterday's question, that is, consider the following countries. First, Azerbaijan. Second, Kyrgyzstan. Third, Tajikistan. Fourth, Turkmenistan. And fifth, Uzbekistan. Which of the above country have border with Afghanistan? So the correct answer for this particular question is C, that is 3, 4 and 5, that is Tajikistan, Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan. Now let's discuss mains practice question. The question says, examine the reasons for rising incident of human-wildlife conflict. Suggest some possible measures to tackle this problem of modern age. You have to answer this particular question in 250 words and send us your answer on our WhatsApp number to get it reviewed. So this is all for today. Stay tuned and stay updated with Analyst IAS. Thank you.